Hello there, it's Mrs. Rice here, and I am ready to talk to you and sing to you and with you about properties, a little bit of fractions, and a little bit of geometry. Now, the first thing I want to talk to you about is the commutative property. All right, commutative property means to rearrange. Change the order of the addends, sums the same. Commutative property means to rearrange. Change the order of the factors, products the same. So that is the flip-flop property, commutative. The next property I want to talk to you about is associative. Associative's about the grouping. Move parentheses around. It doesn't matter how you group them, the sum is still sound. Associatives about the grouping. Move parentheses around. It doesn't matter how you group them, the products still sound. And you just move the parentheses. If you'll notice, all the numbers are in exactly the same order. I just switched the parentheses for the associative property. Oh, here's a tough one. Oh, this is the distributive property example. Distributive, distributing, sharing the factors. Distributive, distributing, sharing the factors. And if you'll notice, 3 is the factor, and I am sharing it with both the 10 and the 2, because everybody wants a little bit of this 3 right there. Okay? Distributive property. Easiest property of them all, identity. Because every number wants to be itself. 4 plus 0 equals 4. It wants to be itself. Or 4 times 1 equals 4. That's identity. Just a little bit of fractions for you. You need to know that the numerator's up, and denominator's down. Denominator's down. Numerator's up, the numerator's up, and denominator's down. Denominator's down. And that's what you need to know about fractions right now. And now we're in for some really awesome geometry. There are 3 actions that you can actually do to a shape. One of those actions is a flip. The other action is a slide. And the other action is a turn. But I want you to know the totally awesome vocabulary. So are you ready? I flip for reflection, I slide for translation, I turn for rotation in geometry. I flip for reflection, I slide for translation, I turn for rotation in geometry. Whew, I'm out of breath. And that's your math songs for today.